Understanding the nervous system, functions and examples. Please be attentive as in this lecture. We are going to discuss the nervous system in details. Let us get started. The nervous system is a complex network responsible for transmitting signals in the body. It coordinates bodily functions, processes information, and controls movements. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord. The brain interprets information, controls thoughts and emotions, and coordinates bodily functions. The spinal cord serves as a pathway for nerve impulses and controls reflex actions. The PNS includes the somatic and autonomic nervous systems. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements and receives sensory information. The autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary functions like heartbeat and digestion. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit nerve impulses. These impulses travel along nerve fibers to communicate with other neurons or target cells at synapses. 1. Sensory perception. When you touch a hot surface, sensory neurons transmit signals to the brain, triggering a reflex to withdraw your hand. 2. Brain function. The brain processes information, allowing you to recognize familiar faces. 3. Motor control. The brain sends signals to activate muscles, allowing you to move. 4. Autonomic functions. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions like heart rate, preparing the body for fight or flight. In short,